start a company from a blank sheet of paper, you have to have a vision. Something you have to commit to entirely. Along the way, you build scar tissue. Moments that make you think, maybe this isn't possible. You have to pick yourself up and go again. If you have doubt, if you're scared, it means you're doing something hard. Something most people can't do. That's the motivation. That's why we do this. Makes you feel alive.